Today is Thursday, December 17th. This is the 1967-1968 Cadillac DeVille Instrument Cluster Veneer Applique. This will be going to my friend Mr. Kaskidis in Lithuania. And I'm doing a final review video so he can see the original 1968 rosewood veneer. This is authentic, original rosewood veneer. This is an endangered species material. Okay. And this has been professionally refinished in the original 1968 tone. And this is completely interchangeable with the 1967 Cadillac DeVille as well, as the instrument cluster appliques are interchangeable between 67 and 68, although this is period correct for 1968, as it is in the rosewood veneer. Okay, there's a close-up. Move the unit. And this will be shipping out to my friend Mr. Kaskidis in Lithuania as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels and steering columns and other critical hard-to-source components such as the entire 1967 and 68 instrument clusters. Today is Thursday, December 17th. Thank you very kindly.